No, I'm not talking about your daily horoscope. I'm talking about a disease affecting so many around the world. Yep, I'm Katelynn, and I'm talking about cancer. What is cancer? Basically, it's when a cell becomes evil and wants to grow for all eternity. Imagine it like that one evil villain who wants to expand their empire across the universe. It doesn't stop until the hero, which is the eventual cure, intervenes. The villain will go out of their way to overcome as much as they can to win, just as a cancer cell likes to overcome cell destruction, or more specifically, apoptosis. Apoptosis is the process of cell suicide. When a cell's DNA is mutated or the cell doesn't work properly, the cell signals itself to use caspases with proteins to essentially eat itself. Caspases are enzymes used specifically for apoptosis and other forms of cell death. As it continues to disassemble the cell, another cell will eat and digest the contaminated cell. While this sounds depressing, it's essential for the human body. If a cell that doesn't work properly continues to grow, it can cause problems to the overall body system and spread further. Cancer cells are able to avoid apoptosis and continue growing. This causes the cells to form a clump, which becomes a tumor. Depending on the cancer, the tumor can be various levels of difficulty to eliminate, but the attribute that makes cancer deadly is the relapse. Relapse is when cancer comes back into the body. It can be in the same place as before, or an entirely different organ or tissue. It's usually a lot more resistant to treatment and troublesome for doctors today. Relapse is like when the villain comes back after being defeated, except they're stronger than before. This means that the heroes need a stronger treatment. This experiment can come in many forms. For example, Dr. Beebe and his team have experimented with nanopulsing on N1S1 cancer cells. Essentially, they are able to eliminate the original tumor and prevent relapse in the organism. Today, the globalization of research has allowed the cancer field to expand and make quick progress to finding the ultimate cure. It allows HeLa cells to travel and research to expand its horizons, so that someday we will find a cure, rather than what the daily horoscope says about cancer.